Good afternoon, ma'am.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame. Comment allez-vous? Ça va, merci.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
D'accord, d'accord, d'accord. Très bien, très bien.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, dear. Bonjour. All of you, please keep your cameras on. Johnson, everyone keep your cameras on. Anlia. Okay, so children, what we learned in the last class, you remember? What did we learn? We learned how to unmute. Anna Rose, we learned how to
Ma'am, greet in French.
yes, how to greet in French. Yes, we learn how to greet in French. So, how will you greet your friend? If you are seeing your friend, then how will you greet?
Bonjour.
No, you are greeting a friend. So, how will you greet?
Salut.
Right, oui, très bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Salut.
Salut. How will you greet your friend?
Salut.
All of you, why are you not replying? Bandhan, you can repeat. Okay, how will you greet your friend?
Salut.
You. Okay, now, how will you greet your teacher?
Bonjour.
Will you greet your teacher? You will say?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Très bien. Then, now you are seeing your friend. Then how will you ask your friend, how are you? You are asking to only one friend, okay? You are asking to your one friend, how are you? So how will you ask how are you to your friend?
Ça va. Ça va.
Louder, everyone. Ça va, right. So to ask how are you to your friend, you will ask ça va.
Ça va.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ça va. Oui, d'accord. Ensuite, how will you ask how are you to your teacher? How will you ask how are you to your teacher? Comment allez-vous? Very good. Now let me ask, Adiga, how will you ask how are you to Bandhan and Agna? Bandhan and Agna, how will you ask how are you?
Comment ça va?
Comment ça va? Are you sure? There are two persons, Bandhan and Agna. So how will you ask?
Ma'am.
Yes? Yes, Anu?
Comment allez-vous?
Yes, right. Très bien, comment allez-vous? Why you use comment allez-vous?
Because there is 2%.
Yes, right. When you have more than one person to ask how are you, you have to use comment allez-vous. When you are asking how are you to more than one person.
Now.
Who? Devananda?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem, Devananda. We are revising the previous class portions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So when you have more than one person in front of you to ask how are you, you will use comment allez-vous. D'accord. Now let me call Anna Grace. Anna Grace,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you ask how are you to Sabari?
Ça va.
Right, very good. Très bien. Or is there any other way to ask how are you to Sabri other than Sava?
Comment ça va?
Very good. Très bien. Ensuite, Anne,
Oui, madame.
suppose think that you came to school and you saw chairman sir. So how will you ask him how are you?
Comment allez-vous?
Very good. Très bien. And this you can ask, okay? You can greet in French also. You can say bonjour. If you are seeing him in good evening time, you can say bonsoir. All these things you can use. Okay, not only in the French class. Understood? Okay, now today we are going to see how to reply to these greetings. When someone is asking you, how are you? Then how will you reply to that? We are going to see today. Okay. So first one is how, when your friend is asking you, how are you? How will you reply? So when your friend asks you, how are you? How will they ask? Sava. How they ask? Sava. So the reply is like this. Reply is also same actually. No difference. Reply is also Sava. Okay. Only difference is in the intonation. If you use the rising intonation, then that will be question. Okay. If you use the rising intonation, then that will be question. How are you? Sava. That will be considered as a question. And if you use the normal tone to reply, then just need to say Sava. If you just reply Sava, then that will consider as a the reply fine. If you put one question mark here and use the rising tone, then the meaning will be how are you? If you put one full stop over here and use the normal tone, then that will be the reply fine. Okay? D'accord? D'accord? D'accord. Très bien. So I am going to ask you and you everyone have to reply. Okay? Sava. Okay, just use the normal tone. Okay, and Sava means, what is the meaning of Sava? Qu'est-ce que c'est Sava? Fine. Sava, c'est fine. D'accord. Ensuite, ça va mal. Ça va mal. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça va mal? Qu'est-ce que c'est ça va mal? Not well. Ça va mal, say not well. Ici, L will be pronounced, not silent. Okay, ending letter L will not be silent. Here we will pronounce the L. Ça va mal. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Ça va mal. All of you should repeat, okay? Ça va mal. And you have to stretch this a little bit. Don't say mal. Okay? Ça va mal. D'accord. Ensuite, troisième, ça va bien. Ça va bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça va bien? We already learned this one. Because in the French class, when I ask you comment allez-vous, you are replying using this one, right? Ça va bien. So ça va bien means very well. Ça va bien means very well. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Ça va bien. One more time. Ça va bien. D'accord. Ensuite, ça va bien, merci. Qu'est-ce que c'est merci?
Thank you.
Qu'est-ce que c'est merci?
Thank you.
Oui, thank you. So pronunciation is not mercy. R will not be pronounced like that. Mercy. R sound is coming there. Mercy. Oui, ça va bien, merci. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Ça va bien, merci. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça va bien, merci? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Very well, thank you.
Oui, say very well, thank you. And this is the most appropriate way when someone elder is asking you como ça va or como ça va. The most appropriate way is to use this one, ça va bien, merci. When someone is asking you how are you, elder someone, then you can say very well, thank you. That is how you show respect. Okay, so you can use this one, ça va bien, merci. When someone elder is asking you how are you, use this one. Okay, that will be more better. Ça va bien, merci. Ensuite, pas mal. Mal.
Mal.
Mal. S is silent here. Here S will be silent. It is not pronounced. Mal. And Mal means not bad. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Everything is going okay type. Okay. Everything is going okay. Not bad. Going well like that. Okay. So Mal means not bad. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Mal. Not Pamal. Listen, I heard someone was saying Pamal. No, it is Pamal. Yes. D'accord, oui. Ensuite, comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Once again. Comme si, comme ça. Oui, comme si, comme ça. And that means neither good nor bad. That means you are not feeling too good and also you are not feeling too bad. Like, you're feeling okay. I'm feeling okay. Like that. Okay? So, comme si, comme ça. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Comme si, comme ça. Okay, one more time from the beginning. Everyone, please do repeat after me. Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Once again. Yeah, I will give you the chance to read. I will give everyone the chance to read. Okay. Then now you practice along with me. Ça va. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va mal. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Okay, you got the pronunciations properly now?
Yes.
Any doubt anyone in the pronunciation? No doubts. Okay, then one more thing I want to inform you that in the next week you will have a reading test. Okay, next week in the French period itself you will have a small reading test. I will give you the page numbers. You can practice and come.
Okay.
In the WhatsApp group I will share you the page numbers. Okay, now those who are ready to read now, those who practiced and ready to read now can click on the hand raise symbol. Those who are ready to ready to read can click on the hand raise symbol. Others, if you are not ready, practice. Practice, and once you are ready, you can click on the hand raise symbol.
Ma'am, I am ready.
You are ready. Okay, just click on the hand raise symbol. Okay. If you are ready, just click on the hand raise symbol. And meanwhile, others, you have all of you take your rough book. Take your rough book, everyone. Hurry. Take your rough book. Devanda, Anna, Grace, take your rough book. All of you take your rough book. You have to write and study these slides, okay, along with the meanings in your rough book for 5 times each. And each time when you write C-A-V-A, repeat, say ça va. Don't just write the spelling and go. Each time you write, you have to pronounce it also, read it also. C-A-V-A, ça va. And one more thing, when you write and study, don't emit this accents. Here you can see one accent, right? Cedilla accent is there below the C. You can see one accent. So don't forget to put that. Otherwise, that will be a spelling mistake. You will lose your mark. Ça va. So these accents are also important when you write. Be careful when you copy the spellings. Okay, so start writing, everyone, 5 times each.
Can I write?
Yes, everyone can write. Everyone, you can start writing 5 times each. Now, Andrea, dear, you can start reading. Andrea, unmute and read. Andrea,
Okay, ma'am.
how will you say okay in French? How will you say okay in French?
D'accord.
D'accord, d'accord, madame. Or you can say oui, madame. Oui means yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, read.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va bien?
Hmm?
Ça va bien, merci.
Dear, you missed this one. Second one, you missed it.
Ma'am, I am reading from the textbook.
You are reading from the textbook. Okay, no problem, dear. Read.
Okay, ma'am. Ça va,
Continue.
ma'am?
Hmm?
Pas mal.
Hmm?
Comme
Comme si, comme ça.
comme ci, comme ça.
One more time. Please read one more time.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va bien?
Hmm?
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm?
Ça va mal?
Hmm?
Pas mal?
No, it is not pass mal. What did I told you?
Pas mal?
Yes, right. Très bien.
Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Andrea. Ensuite, Devananda.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va bien? Ça va bien,
D'accord.
merci.
Hmm?
Ça va mal?
Hmm?
Pas mal.
Hmm?
Comme ci,
Comme si.
comme ça.
Très bien, Devananda. Ensuite, Anna Grace. Anna Grace.
Yes, oui, madame.
D'accord. Read.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va mal? Ça va bien? Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Anna. Ensuite, Agna.
Oui, madame.
Oui, lisez.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va mal?
Hmm?
Ça va bien?
Hmm?
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm?
Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Agna. Sabri.
Yes. Oui, madame.
D'accord. Lisez.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va bien?
Hmm?
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm?
Ça va mal?
Hmm?
Pas mal.
Hmm?
Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Sabri. Ensuite, Siddharth.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va mal? Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Siddharth. Ensuite, Naila.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Fine.
Hmm?
Ça va mal, not well.
Hmm?
Ça va be very well.
Ça va bien, not being. Bien.
Very well. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal, not bad. Comme ci, comme ça.
Neither good
Or bad.
nor bad. Neither good nor bad. D'accord. Ensuite, Anay.
Oui, madame.
Advait, write and study, Advait.
Oui, madame.
Hmm.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va mal?
Hmm?
Ça va bien?
Hmm?
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm?
Pas mal.
Hmm?
Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, Advait.
Oui, madame.
Hmm. You finished writing?
Yes, madame.
So quick. Learn the spellings.
Ça va?
Hmm?
Ça va mal?
Hmm?
Ça va bien?
Hmm?
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm?
Pas mal.
Hmm? Comme si, comme ça. D'accord, Advait, très bien. Sabiri, sit straight, Sabiri. Right hand steady. Take your book. Ensuite, Alvina.
Oui, madame. Ça va? Ça va mal? Ça va bien? Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Alvina. Ensuite, Adhika.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
D'accord, Anna. Ensuite, Angeline.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
D'accord, très bien. Those who finished already reading, they can remove that hand raise symbol from the screen. Gauri Nanda, read.
Ça va. Fine.
Advait, keep your camera on, Advait.
Not well. Ça va bien. Very well. Ça va bien, merci. Very well. Thank you. Pas mal. Not bad.
Comme si, comme ça. D'accord.
Good, not bad.
Très bien. Ensuite, Elizel.
Madame.
D'accord. Lisez.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
D'accord. Très bien, Elizel. Ensuite, Anna Rose.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Anna. Ensuite, Rose.
Oui, madame.
Lizel, you finished writing? D'accord. Oui, Rose. Read.
Ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Comme ci, comme ça. Très bien, Rose. Ensuite, Bandhan.
Ma'am, I write and study.
Très bien, Siddharth. Oui, Bandhan, read.
Cover.
Not ka sound. Ça va.
Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, Marie. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Très bien, Bandhan. Ensuite, Annelia.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, lisez.
Ça va. Ça va.
M-A-L. Mal. Ça va mal.
Ça va mal. Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci.
Not Mia. Bien.
Mia.
Not ba. B. Bien.
Mia.
Oui.
Kamal.
After Sava, Bia, then this is Pamal.
Kamal.
Then on
Komsi Komsa.
Trebia and Lia, ensuite Irene. Irene,
Oui, madame.
d'accord, lisez.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Ça va mal.
Hmm.
Ça va bien.
Hmm.
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm.
Pas mal.
Hmm.
C'est comme ça.
Trebia, Irene, ensuite Adinath.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, lisez.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Ça va Mia.
No, once again, ça va bien.
Ça va Mia.
Not ma, b. Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Hmm.
Ça va mal.
Hmm.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm.
Pas mal.
Hmm.
Comme si, comme ça.
Trebia, Adinath, ensuite Anelia Rose. Did you read, Anelia? Yes, then those who finish reading, they can remove that hand raise symbol from the screen. Then Ayan, read.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Ça va mal.
Hmm.
Ça va bien.
Hmm.
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm.
Pas mal.
Hmm.
Comme si, comme ça.
Trebia, Ayan, ensuite Abhinav Krishnan. Abhinav,
Oui, madame.
d'accord. Lisez.
Va.
Hmm.
Ça va mal.
Hmm.
Ça va bien.
Sabari, write and study. Continue,
Ça va.
Abhinav.
Ça va bien, merci.
Sava, it's not been, bien.
Ça va bien, merci.
Hmm.
Pas mal.
Hmm.
Comme si, comme ça.
Hmm. Trebia, Abhinav. Abel Dixon, did you read? Abel?
Yes, madame.
Read.
Ça va?
Hmm.
Ça va? Fine.
Hmm.
Ça va, mais not
Sava
well.
mal. M-A-L.
Sava
Mal.
Ça va, mais not well.
Hmm.
Ça va, Ben, very well.
Bien. Not Ben.
Bien, very
Bien.
well.
Continue, dear. Unmute. Your mic is muted. Sava, Bia, Mercy.
Ça va bien, merci. Very well, thank you.
Hmm. Then,
Kamal,
very
not
good.
bad.
Hmm.
Comme si, comme ça,
Neither good,
neither
nor.
good or bad.
Trebia, Abel. Ensuite, is there anyone else to read? Anyone else to read? Click on the hand raise symbol or you can unmute. Hannah, Hannah, read.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ça va.
Once again, dear, I didn't hear you.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Ça va mal.
Not kava. It is sa. Sava.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Ça va mal.
Hmm.
Ça va.
Bien.
Ça va bien.
Hmm.
Ça va bien, mal.
Hmm.
Pas mal.
Not pammal. Pamal.
Pas mal.
Hmm. Comme si, comme ça. D'accord. Trebia. Okay, children, now I'm going to take the attendance. Please respond in French itself and I'll call your name. Adinath. C. Tarun.
Present, ma'am.
Preso. Arav Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Asher. Asher Benny. I think he was there in the beginning. I saw him. Also with Abhinav Krishnan. Preso. Adhika Preso. Advaita C. Binil. Preso. Agna. Agna.
Present, ma'am.
Preso. Abel. Preso. Irene. Preso. Irene is present, right? Irene, yes. Also with Alvina. Alvina.
Ma'am.
Alvina Preso. D'accord. Amaya. Amaya. Absent. Also with Anay.
Preso, madam.
D'accord. Andrea. Preso. Angeline Roy.
Preso.
D'accord. Anna Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Preso. Anna Grace. Preso. Anlia Preso. Ayan Kesaji.
Present, madam.
D'accord.
Present, madam.
Also with Bandhan Preso. Daros Preso. Dia Maria. Dia Maria. Absent. Gauri Nanda Preso. Hanna Preso. Karthikei. Karthikei. Absent. Krishna. Krishna. Absent. Laisel Preso. Muhammad Ayan. Muhammad Ayan. Absent. Naila Preso. Devananda.
Preso, madam.
Preso. Raika. Raika. Absent. Sabari. Preso. Shifna. Shifna. Absent. Shravan. Shravan. Absent. Siddharth.
Preso, madam.
Present. Sri Badra. Sri Badra. Absent. Yashika. Yashika. Absent. Okay. Then
Ma'am.
one more thing. Pardon? Pardon? Okay, everyone, please write down the note the page numbers for your reading test. Note down the page numbers for your reading test.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have the textbook.
So,
Ma'am,
dear, then
page
you have
number?
to you just tell your friend, any friend, to take the photo and share it to your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We
Ma'am, I'm in my mother's home. That's why I didn't bring.
no problem, no problem. So the page numbers for your reading test are 17. Write down 17, 19,
Okay, ma'am.
20,
Okay, ma'am.
21,
Okay, ma'am.
22. D'accord? Once again, 17, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Reading test. So practice and come. And the pronunciations, if you have any doubt in the pronunciation, all the words I have shared, pronunciations I have shared in the WhatsApp group. In the file, in an audio file, I have shared that. So you can practice along with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Or else if you have any doubt, you can message me. You have my number. Okay? Okay, everyone. See you in the next class. How will you say goodbye?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Au revoir, madam.